Okay, the last and final step is to put the insert into the wall. I didn't talk about this earlier, but if there's an external wall and you do have insulation here, that's no problem. Do not remove the insulation. Go ahead and put this insert on right over the top of it. If you purchased a safe with your unit, you're going to want to put the safe in first and then take the shorter insert and put it up on top. But it's pretty much the same procedure. So we'll start by just go ahead and putting it in and let it rest on the bottom. And again, this can be done by yourself, but it's always easier with help. These are self-tapping screws. You do not need to pre-drill, but I like to do that because it makes it easier. You're not wrestling with the screws, trying to keep it from flying all over the room. You do not need to draw these in tight. You want it to float a little bit. So I'm going to go ahead and center this. So I'm going to loosen this just a little bit. Put the other side in. You want to make sure this is tight against the wall before you drill a hole in there. So you can see there's a little bit of plane here, but all the weight is going to be supported by the bottom of the unit. So you just go ahead and put the other 4 screws in. Pretty much doing the same thing, making sure you're not over torquing them. And bowing the unit, or bowing the insert. Again, make sure you're pushing in on the outside so it's flush, stays flush to the unit. And that's all there is to it. Ready to go.